All right, so a little information on the switch panel that I have. It's an Auxmeam switch panel. Just got it on Amazon. Just have it mounted here in my center console, and have it mounted. This is a 2019 Ram, by the way, 5th gen, and it's just mounted in front of my CD player that I haven't used since 1997. So I'm not sure why it's in a 2019 Ram, but anyways, so it's just mounted on that pin ledge I think you use for pins, or probably what that's designed for. So just there. Not entirely sure. I think the cabling is just ran up under the dash, in between the dash panels. There is probably where that cabling is ran there. So anyways, ran there, and then switch panel there, the cabling just goes up here to the switch box, and you just plug your accessories into. Each slot corresponds to a button on the dash. You just plug it in there, and then you can either plug it, you can have it run on constant power, you can, hook it to auxiliary so it shuts off with the truck, or what I did for mine, I have an on switch. So right now it's switched to turn off and on with the truck. If I go to the middle, that's off completely, and then if I go to the far side, it's a constant on. So I can have the truck off and then actually still use my accessory lighting if I want to with the truck even off, or if I switch it on the other side, then it will turn off and on with the truck. There you go. That way, and I usually leave it there. That way when I get out of the truck, turn off the truck, it shuts down with it, and I don't have to worry about remembering are my lights on or off. So there you go.